Hi guys, in this little video I'm just going to show you how to use a mortise gauge. Can be a bit of a tricky tool to master when you first start learning, so there's a little bit of a trick with it, so here we go. Okay, so here is our mortise gauge. Slight difference in terms of a marking gauge. Mortise gauge has got two pins one side to mark out your mortise and tenons. This one's actually a universal one. It's got a marking gauge pin on the other side, so you'll see just the one pin for marking out parallel lines. We've got different parts of this tool. We've got the stock here. We've got thumb turn screw, as well as a screw at the bottom there that you can undo and do up depending on the size of the tenon that you're creating. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure the tenon is pretty set. So just imagine we need a 10mm tenon. Make sure it's nice and accurate to the millimetre. And once it is, then pick up a piece of timber here. It could be anything. And then what we're going to do is we're going to find the centre of that timber. So if I got 44mm, so if I go 22, and then I can find my centre. You can double check it from marking it both sides. That bang on. Okay, just double check. There we go. Okay, so what I like to do with this tool is, because it's a challenging tool to use when you first start doing it, a lot of guys, they go in and they dig it right into the timber, and then what happens is the two prongs, the two spurs, they follow the grain of the timber, okay, the two spiky bits. What happens then is obviously your line is not straight because it's following the original grain, okay, of the timber. So it's all about skimming across the surface just to create a marking, okay. It's not a cutting tool, it's just a marking tool, okay. So what I'm going to do is, because it's challenging, I want two hands on the tool. So I'm going to use my vise, it's here, so we might as well use it, okay. And then again, two hands on the tool, have it nice and tight in the vise, and then what I'm going to do is nice and tight in, so against the stock, so I'm staying in, and just a nice light marking at a really shallow angle of the spurs going in, so really shallow angle. Okay, and just do it a couple of times if you have to get your markings. It's better than going in too heavy and then being all over the place. Again, coming down, same as, just do it a couple of times, nice and light, and do it a few times if you have to. Okay, move it in the vise, and the same down this time. Nice and light, and a few times, and then eventually you'll end up with your nice line centrally in the timber for your tenon, for example. Thanks for watching.